What is Sundaeswap coin? Sundaeswap, the sweetest decentralized exchange on Cardano, who aims to be the platform for future financial innovation, launched on January 20th, 2022. Sundaeswap, like other DEXs, employs intelligent contracts to match token swaps between users and returns a part of the trading fees to the investors who supply liquidity to the platform, a technique known as yield farming. It can also be termed as a decentralized exchange for the Cardano network, enabling native token and ADA exchanges for anyone. With its protocol, you will be able to swap, stake, lend, borrow, and more in a truly decentralized way. That's the services Sundaeswap offers. How to buy Sundaeswap? At the moment of this video, the list of supported wallets by the Sundaeswap protocol are the following. 1. Ccvault. 2. Nami. You can buy Sundaeswap with any cryptocurrency, but for this video we are going to use Cardano. Once you've gotten your wallet connected to the Sundaeswap interface, you're ready to swap tokens. The link is in the description. In order to ensure that you don't have an insufficient balance error, always consider adding 10 to 15 ADA as collateral to the total amount you want to exchange. For example, if you want to buy 100 native MELD tokens, you must ensure that you have enough ADA to buy the desired amount, plus 10 to 15 ADA to serve as collateral and to pay for the transaction fees. Next, select the token you want to swap. If you want to swap ADA to SUNDAE, select ADA. Then select the token you wish to receive upon the swap. In this case, select SUNDAE. Then, enter the amount you wish to swap. You can either enter how many tokens you wish to convert or how many tokens you wish to receive in the box below. If you want to switch 1000 ADA to receive SUNDAE, enter your input amount like 1000 ADA in the first input field. The interface will calculate the output amount, which is the amount that would be received based on market price, liquidity pool depth, and other factors. On the other hand, if you want to receive 1000 SUNDAE, enter 1000 SUNDAE in the second input field. The interface will automatically calculate how much ADA is required to make a successful swap to 1000 SUNDAE. Next, review your swap. Before you officially submit your transaction to the blockchain, a pop-up will appear, giving you a detailed breakdown of your trade, which we will break down for you. Expected amount. This amount is what you, the end user, can expect to receive once you submit your swap to the blockchain. Liquidity provider fee. The Sundaeswap protocol charges a specific fee on all trades, depending on which liquidity pool your swap is going through.
This video is sponsored by BlockFi. BlockFi is an exchange where you can trade cryptocurrency. Apart from earning interest on your crypto, you can take out loans as well. Moreover, it allows you to earn 8% annually on your crypto reserves, which is 8 times the best savings account out there. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up now by clicking the link in the description. Okay, let's continue with our video.
Route. A route entails the pools your assets go through in order to achieve an optimal price for your swap. Minimum received. This is the minimum amount of the output token you may receive from the trade. This value is determined by the current market price, as well as the slippage limit setting you have previously set before you proceeded with the trade. Scooper fee. The Sundaeswap protocol charges a scooper processing fee, which is used to pay scoopers for submitting your order to the blockchain. Then, lastly, you submit your swap by clicking Order Swap. And this is it. After you submit the transaction, it is advisable to be patient. At this early stage of the blockchain, transactions will take hours, or they may take days. Where to buy Sundaeswap coin? Sundaeswap can be purchased and sold using fiat currencies, that is either the US dollar, Canadian dollar, euro, and so on, or a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Cardano. And it costs less. You will also be able to get the token either through ISO, swapping it on the DEX, or providing liquidity to the protocol. Sundaeswap's native coin is the SUNDAE token. Is Sundaeswap coin a good investment? Sundaeswap coins are expected to increase in value in the future as scarcity pushes up prices. Though a somewhat botched launch due to blockchain congestion issues happened, which could deter investors, but it is still somewhat understandable, considering that the Cardano protocol lacks the scalability that allows actions to be taken in real time. It's still nothing to worry about. This was expected. Just picture these times as being the early days of Ethereum. Things did not flow as they do today. Currently, there are teams working day and night to make sure that fast and scalable transactions will become a reality on the blockchain soon. That is all we have for you today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave us a like and hit the big bold red subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. Till next time.